Hello and welcome to Breathwork series. My name is Yovana. If you haven't watched introduction video already, it will pop up somewhere over here. You can click and have a look to understand better what are we talking about here. On the bigger scale, today we're going to talk about bee breath, bumblebee breath, or Bhramari pranayama. Before we jump into the actual practice of this breath, I would like to share with you some benefits and contraindications so you have tools and know how to use this breath correctly, when to use it in the best possible way. One of my favorite benefits of this breath is that it helps with anxiety and stress. So it's practically like telling your anxiety to buzz off. Other than that, the frequency, the vibration that this buzzing creates inside our heads when we produce it, it gives internal massage to the brain and help us with releasing any tension in our head. It also helps with headaches and migraines, reducing the blood pressure. It's also very good to practice before sleep because it can help you fall asleep faster. As well, it helps with anger. Think of buzzing as screaming or shouting. So it's just, I would say, a way to release these emotions from our body through creating this vibration sound. And it doesn't create so much noise as the screaming and shouting do. So if you need to give yourself some cooling and breakdown time if you're feeling frustrated, anxious, or angry, you definitely can use this. It doesn't take a lot of time. There is plenty of other benefits. It helps with focus as well. And if you are talking about spirituality or energy work, it also helps relieve the blockages from the heart. So this vibration is releasing the stuck energy and emotions from the heart chakra, and it activates pineal and pineal gland, which is something that can help us with connecting to our third eye and meditation. If you aren't interested in those, you can use it in everyday life. If you are interested in meditation, manifestation, it's also great to know what are the benefits of this breath. Contraindications of this breath are also important. This is one of the breaths that is safe for pregnant women, and this is what I like about it. It's easy, everybody can do it, and benefits are countless. As you can see, plenty. It can help you with so many different things. Other than that, if you have ear infection, I wouldn't suggest doing this breath because we need to press our ears, and it's not suggestible. It's not suggested to put any pressure on our ears during such time. So it would be better to wait for this infection to pass, to practice it safely. Between the sessions or during the breath work, if you get tired or out of breath, you think like it's too much for you, you can take a break. So we are not like forcing ourselves or pushing ourselves. So if you feel tired, you can just take a normal inhale a couple of times and then you can continue. Now that we've gone through some awesome benefits and very few contraindications, just more for you to know than really something that can harm you, why don't we actually go over this breath? It's very simple. You can either use your full palms, I will explain the difference, or you can just use your thumbs. I prefer to use my full palms because it kind of relaxes me. It gives me this feeling of safety. I hope you can see my ears properly, but we will use our thumbs to close our cartilage, the part of the ear. So we are not pressing the thumb inside the ear. We are just closing like this, pressing gently. So we are not pressing too hard. But it's important to close it so we can actually feel the vibrations inside our heads. And while you're doing this pranayama, this breath work, you will not hear anything outside. So it's like your little world inside your head. So after closing our ears, we will place two fingers, so the pointing finger and the middle finger on our eyes, and then the ring finger on the top of our upper lip, and then just let the pinkies fall on our cheeks or wherever they reach. We all have different length of fingers, different palms, hand sizes. So why I like this one is because putting fingers on my eyes relaxes me. It's like telling me you're safe. And then in the first version, this is the hand variation. In the second version, we don't put anything on our face. There is people who don't like to put hands on the face, so we'll just use our thumbs, make our hands a fist, and use our thumbs to close the cartilage. I do suggest you close your eyes for a better effect of this breath, even if you don't use your fingers on your face. I will demonstrate with covering my face, and you are welcome to join me or have a look for the first round. I will stop after the first round to be able to hear and to let you know that one round is finished, and then we will repeat for 4 rounds for this video. But I suggest you do at least 6 to 8 rounds. If you have time, you are welcome to do more than that. Just bear in mind that if you get tired, you should take a breath and you can continue from there. So this breath work is done in the seated variation only. I do not suggest doing it laying down. Find any comfortable seat of your choice. You can sit in Sukhasana or you can sit on your knees. It's absolutely up to you. We will straighten our back, prepare ourselves, and then if you are joining me, you can gently press your ears, place your fingers as I explained before. You can have a look at the video to understand better. We will keep our mouth closed during this breath work, and we will create a sound like a bumblebee. It will sound something like this. So when you run out of breath, this is practically one round. We all have different duration of breath, different lung capacity. So you're not competing with me, or if you're practicing with somebody, with that person, you count for yourself, and you probably wouldn't be able to hear me or hear somebody sit next to you because your ears are closed. I'm going to repeat 3 more rounds, so you guys should just either watch or join me. You're welcome, and we will take it from there. Take a deep breath. And after you finish, you can keep your eyes closed and return to your normal breathing pattern. Take a moment to notice how perception of present moment feels now that you remove your hands from your face and your ears. How does your head feel? How is your mood? I haven't done 6 to 8 rounds, but I already feel better just doing 4 with you. What I can say more is that you shouldn't press your eyes if you are keeping your hands on your face. I mean, you get carried away with the breath, and you shouldn't force it to make it loud or anything. You can play around and see what sound you can create. You can try to keep your teeth together, and you can also try to separate your teeth. If you keep your teeth together, you will create a different vibration. I like it both ways. Maybe it creates a little bit more vibration when you keep your teeth together, but it's completely up to you. This breath is recommended to be done on empty belly. I, in my personal practice, really don't mind. This is just a suggestion that I can give to you guys. And other than that, that's about bumblebee breath. It's a really sweet breath that can help you in a lot of different situations, help you sleep, can help you reduce your stress, anxiety, your blood pressure. What better than that? If you guys have any questions about this breath, or you would like to see a video on any other breath, let me know down in the comments. If you are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button and maybe even notification button to get notified about new videos that I'm posting. And I really hope to see you again on the mat. Namaste.